Park Industries hopes this video tutorial on orifice, mixing chamber, and nozzle maintenance is helpful in reducing your maintenance downtime. Be sure the machine is located all the way to the front, so it is safe to drop the cutting head down. To start, press the emergency stop switch on the control panel. With the key, turn the maintenance bypass on. Pull the emergency stop back out and reset the alarm. Wait 30 seconds before pressing the system on button. Remove the green safety pull cord. Go to Setup, Machine Setup, and press the Nozzle Down button. Clean the cutting head with water and compressed air. Remove the garnet supply hose. Remove the deflector shield on the nozzle by loosening the Allen head set screw. Remove the broken nozzle proc sensor by removing the two socket head cap screws. With two wrenches, loosen the abrasive body from the adapter. Loosen the standard nut to remove the nozzle. Unscrew the abrasive inlet. Separate the nozzle from the standard nut. You may have to gently tap the nozzle down to remove it. Loosen the Allen head set screw to allow the mixing chamber to be removed with the orifice. Use a dowel to push the mixing chamber and orifice out. Clean all parts thoroughly. When changing the orifice, be sure the red dot is up. Insert the mixing chamber with the small hole up towards the orifice. Be sure to hold the orifice in place with your finger. The mixing chamber has to be oriented correctly so the flat spot on the mixing chamber lines up with the set screw on the abrasive body. A dowel may be used to press the mixing chamber in. Tighten the set screw for the mixing chamber. Screw the abrasive inlet back in. Apply blue lube to the threads. Insert the nozzle tight to the bottom of the mixing chamber. Thread on the standard nut. Slide the O-ring back over the standard nut. Apply blue lube to the threads. thread the abrasive body back onto the adapter. Tighten with 2 wrenches. Slide the deflector shield back onto the nozzle and tighten the set screw. Reattach the broken nozzle prox mount with the 2 socket head cap screws. Reinsert the garnet supply hose. Reattach the green safety pull cord and reset the blue switch. Press the E-stop on the control panel. Turn the maintenance bypass key off. Pull the E-stop out and reset the alarm. Wait 30 seconds before pressing the System On button. Unscrew the cut pressure knob out all the way. Press OK, then Main Menu, and then Manual, and move the machine over the table. Turn the hydraulic pump on, then the intensifier. Press the high pressure button, then the nozzle down button. Open the water valve. The water jet will be running at a very low pressure. Turn the cut pressure knob back in slowly until the knob stops turning. The water jet should be at correct cutting pressure. Turn the water valve on and off 6 times to seat the orifice. With the water valve off, check for any leaks on the cutting head. If there are no leaks, turn the jet off by pressing the low pressure button, then stop the intensifier pump, then stop the hydraulic pump, and finally raise the cutting head. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please call Park Industries Customer Service.